So Newton's law of universal gravitation is part of why we have the planets that remain in orbit around the sun. And so if you remember, Newton's first law of motion states, zoom in on this, objects in motion stay in that same motion unless or until acted upon by an outside force, which means that this planet Earth, if it is moving in a path, it will continue in a straight path, moving in that same motion at that same speed forever and ever and ever. But that's not what happens. What happens is the planets keep orbiting around the sun. So we're going to go ahead and show why that happens. So you're going to have to come over on this side. So notice that we have the sun. This is going to be the sun, and I am going to represent the earth. And according to the law, I am going to be going in a straight path. If I'm facing this direction, I will keep moving in this direction. And I'm moving in this direction, but wait, there's something that changes my direction. And the thing that changes my direction is the gravity, which represents this rope. So this rope represents the gravity of the sun. And so what happens is I can only go so far, and then the sun pulls on me and changes my direction, and now I'm going in this line. So I keep going, but wait, my direction's changed again. So I get another pull from the sun, and I change direction. And I keep moving like this, constantly changing direction until, you're doing great, babe, until I go all the way around. And so when we look at that, objects in motion stay in motion until they're acted upon by an outside force. It is this outside force of gravity from the sun that constantly changes the planet's motion, continuing them orbiting around in the path. Done.